Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you ProtonVPN setup and review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to set up and start using ProtonVPN, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here, and you need to do. Now, if you're looking for the absolute best free VPN for Android devices as of right now, well, ProtonVPN is the undisputed gold standard as of this day. Now, setting it up is incredibly easy. You just need to grab your phone, just go to Google Play Store and download. But later on, I'll be showing exactly how to do that. Now, the biggest win for us with using ProtonVPN is it gives you completely unlimited free data forever with absolutely zero annoying ads cluttering your screen. Now, it is backed by strict Swiss privacy laws, so fully open source. It includes premium safety features like an automatic kill switch and their specialized stealth protocol to smoothly smash through tough network blocks. Now, the thing with this one is the only minor trade-off here though is that you can only connect one device at a time. So it assigns your server randomly from 10 countries and it doesn't guarantee unblocking for premium streaming sites. But for everyday privacy use and limited safety on Android devices, it is easily the best free shield you can get or find right now. But how do you install this? So like what I said, you just need to open up Google Play Store here, look or type the ProtonVPN on your search bar and just click on the install button. Let's go and click on open since we already have this installed. Now, to get you started, you need to fill out some details first here. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to sign in or continue as a guest. Now, as an example, I'm just going to continue as a guest here, but if you want to create your account, you can go ahead and just sign in. Now, once you've done that, it's now going to show you if you want to upgrade your privacy here. But for now, let's go and click on the Not Now button. And as you can see, you'll now have the option to start the connection. Now, from here, you'll have the option to immediately connect. As you can see right now, this is a free connection. It will automatically select from different servers. Now, if you click on connect, this will automatically start the connection. Just click on OK. And basically, you're protected, as you can see right now. Now, if you want to disconnect or change servers, you can go and click on change server. And this will change your IP address, which is a great thing in here. But there is a cooldown, so you need to wait like a minute or more, depending on how much you're using the change server option here. But as you can see, that's how you change your IP address if you want to further like protect yourself. Now, if you go to countries here, it'll give you the option to connect to certain countries. Now, there are different categories in here, like Secure Core, P2P, Tor, and a lot more. So if you want to access certain specialized servers, and also if you want to view them by country, this is how you do it. So certain countries only, or certain platforms only allow you access to their website if you connect on a specific country. Like for example, if you're in Asia, you won't be able to access certain websites in the US. So that's the thing. If you go to profiles here, it will give you the option to basically customize your VPN connection so that you can tailor what you need and basically quickly switch to those what you want to do. So for gaming or whatever, if you want to access certain websites or view streaming on certain websites, you should be able to change profile this way. But obviously, you may need to get the premium version in order for you to access this one. Now, if you go to settings, it'll give you the option to further customize your account. Like for example, accessing NetShield using split tunneling, and also the kill switch here. The great thing about kill switch here is basically if your VPN actually drops, your connection will automatically be dropped as well. So meaning, just in case you're handling important or sensitive information, that information will be protected, because if your VPN is disabled, interconnection should also be disabled so that nothing actually leaks out, which is a great thing here. Now, there are other options as well. Like for example, you could choose your protocol if you want to use VPN Accelerator, and even use advanced settings here, like for example, alternative routing, LAN connections, NAT type, custom DNS if you want to further customize your connections, and also if you want to enable like IPv6 support. So yeah, setting up or installing ProtonVPN here is quite easy. Now, the great thing or the biggest thing that you will love about this app here is that it's pretty simple to use. You have the connect button at the main menu here or in the home screen, and you can just start using it. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.